Hello everyone, welcome to our 8th video of our Golang series. In the 7th video, we have discussed about regarding the switch statement, right? If you haven't watched that one, please look at that one, then you can get a clear understanding of these contents, right? This is the example that we did in the switch statement tutorial, right? Please go and come to this video, right? In today's video, we will going to discuss about the arrays, right? In Go, an array is a numbered sequence of elements of a specific length, right? In the typical Go code, slices are much more common, but arrays are useful in some special scenarios, right? In here, you have listened that slices. I will teach you regarding the slices in the next video, right? But today we are going to discuss about the array. First, we'll create an array, and then you can get a clear understanding about how we can create the array using Go, right? We want to create an array, then I have add the var keyword here, then I can specify any variable here. I am creating variable called a, and then I want to specify the size of this array, right? I am creating the size of this I am storing 5 elements in this a variable, right? And I can define the type. What are the values we are storing here? I am storing integer values here, right? In here, you can see unused variable here, right? We can't create unused variable. Then I simply print that a variable, right? Then we'll see what happened, right? I am running this one. Then you can see the output here. It will assign the 5 zeros, right? If we are creating the array with integer values, the default values are 0, right? It will assign the default values to all the 5 elements, right? If we are creating this in the string format, then it is an empty array, right? Then bool, it will assign the all the by default false values, right? Likewise, you can create the default array here, right? Okay, then if I want to assign some value to here, like I want to assign the value to the third position as 10, right? You all know array indexes are in like this way, right? I will put a comment, and this is 0th index, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is the indexes in that array, right? Then 3 means in this position I am put the value as 10, right? Then I will get like this kind of array, right? 0, 0, 0, 10 and 0, right? Hope you got that one, right? Okay, then I am printing fmt dot println a. Then we will see what is the output. This is the output, right? You got that. Okay. If I want to get the specific element like a3, I can simply put fmt.println a3, right? Third index. What is the value? 10, right? Okay. Then we can get the array length by using the built-in function called len, right? If we want to get the array length using, we can get using the length function, right? Len a. What is the length of array? 5, right? Okay, then another thing was that we can declare and initialize an array in one line, like in this way. I am creating variable called b, then the size of the array, and within the braces I can put the values here, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Like in this way. In here we want to add the type. That's very important, right? In here we want to add the type, right? Then I am printing this one, fmt.println b. What's the output? 1 2 3 4 5, right? Okay, then these are one-dimensional array, right? We can define the multi-dimensional array as well. For example, I will create a two-dimensional array for demo purpose. If I want to create a two-dimensional array, we can simply create a variable like 2d, right? In here I am creating the 2 rows and 3 columns, right? 3 columns. I am storing the integer values, right? Then using the for, we can fill the values here, right? We can write the for. We have discussed those things in the previous tutorial. If you haven't watched those things, please look in that kind of thing, right? I less than 2, I plus plus, right? Then you want another nested loop here for k equals 0, k then 3, k plus plus, right? Then I am assigning values to I, j. I am assigning I plus j as values, right? After that, I am printing fmt.println 2d, right? What is the output? First it will get the I values as 0 and then check this condition, 0 less than 2. Yeah, that's true. Then it will create the j as 0. It will check the 0 less than 3. That condition is also true. And then it will assign the 0 plus 0 is 0 to two-dimensional arrays, 0th row and 0th column. Okay, right? This is the answer of that in the first step, right? Again, that increase the j by 1 and then take the 1 less than or equal to less than 3. Yeah, that's true. Then it will assign the 2D array 0 1 as the 1, right? This one, right? This is the way that we can define the 2D arrays, right? These in here you can see these are hard-coded values, right? How we can get this length using this array? I will print this one here, fmt.println length of 2d, right? Length of 2d, as well as I am printing the fmt.println length of 2d 0th row, first row, right? In here you can see length of 2d is 2, right? first row length is 3, right? This means what? The number of columns that we have for one row, right? In this case, we can replace this 3 with what? Length to the first row, right? Okay, this 2 we can replace with length but 2D, right? Using this one, this one we can get the number of rows, right? These are very important, right? In here we can get the number of columns, right? These are very important thing. We can now we can generate this thing, right? If we want to create 8 by 20 array, we just want to specify these 2 here, how much rows we need and how much columns we need. Now we can run this one, right? In here, this is the array, right? This is the array, right? Hope you have learned new things from this tutorial, right? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please share those things with your friends. Yeah, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.